everyone, welcome to Watch It Paint It. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing for Adrenaline. Now this is by Czech Games Edition. A couple of subscribers asked if I could paint the models for this, and I asked CGE if I could have a copy, and they very kindly sent me a copy. So let's do a quick unboxing. So the usual sort of teaser for what's going to be coming up on the channel in the near future. May as well have a look what's in the box together. This is a huge box. Need two hands to open that. And here we go. So let's start with, just move these out of the way, whiz through these momentarily. What's this, a catalogue for CGE's stuff? Cool, they've got lots of games. I only know them for Codenames, one of my favourite games actually, although there are no miniatures. Sad, sad times. So the rules, I'm guessing, check out how to play. Cool, I like when there's a video as well, just to quickly bring you up to speed. This is a very, very small rule book. How many pages was that? That was like 11 pages. 12 pages including the back. Nice and straightforward, hopefully. Weapons, oh, it's this lots and lots of different rules. Weapons manual, although that's a sheet of paper. Oh, is that explaining the cards? Looks like it. Pretty straightforward as well then. Loads of baggies to put everything in. That's alright. Another one. Some tokens. Some more tokens. Player board for the pink player. Some tokens have popped out. I love when they pop out by themselves. It saves me an effort. More tokens and player boards, I guess. So that's 2, 3, 5. This is 3 to 5 player. So I'm guessing we're going to get... Oh, looks like there was more boards. Oh, no. There's not. There's 5 boards there. And then the like map tile. So this comes in 2 pieces, which allows you to have 4 combinations of different maps to play the game over, because you can flip them over. Oh, I'm knocking the camera, apologies. This is quite difficult to show you. Everything's all a bit in my face. Here we go then. So let's have a look what we get in this bit. Hopefully no sellotape. I can't open it. There we go. Nice and easy. Loads of plastic tokens. Oh, they feel nice even through the bag. Nice. Plastic cubes. Oh, they look pretty. Semi-transparent. Some plastic transparent skulls in there as well. You can see that without the light reflecting. Nice, plenty of those. Tiny little pack of cards. The usual. Sort of action weapons and stuff. Yeah, that's a grenade of some sort. A sledgehammer. So some bigger cards. Looks standard size, I think. And then here are the miniatures. This is what we're talking about. Look at that guy. He's a lizard with a big ass gun. We like that. What we got here? This looks like something off The Fifth Element. Some sort of octopus with a big gun. I'm noticing a theme here. What's this one? This looks like some sort of human soldier marine with a big shotgun. Looks like a shotgun anyway. What's this one? So it looks like a humanoid lady with some cool glasses and a big gun. There is a theme. What's the last one? Robot, I'm guessing. Yeah, big smiley. That's quite hard to see. Big smiley robot. He's got a big grin with a massive gun. Nice. They look cool. Look forward to painting those. Well, that's it. Quite straightforward what's in that box. Thank you all very much for watching.